Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reload a particular div using jQuery in the most simplest way. So I don't have anything in this page now, and this is actually the PHP page, and in which I'm going to do a simple PHP program. Echo rand function 0 to 100. So whenever I press this reload button, the number is getting changed. It's only because I am using the PHP run function. Number is getting changed. So I don't want to make this kind of this to happen when I reload this page. So I am going to create a button here with the name of reload, and I'm giving an ID of it for reloader. Okay, so whenever I press this button, I want this particular div to be reloaded. ID is equal to something like a content or anything. Don't look the spelling. So when I press this reload button, I want this particular div to be reloaded, to get reloaded. Okay, so when I press this reload button, this the 21 is inside this div content. So we are going to reload this by using the most simplest jQuery method. Hash name of ID of the button. When I click, click function, click function. Now when I click on this reload button, I want to load this particular div into this div itself, into that div itself. That's what we are going to do. Okay, now it's done. Now it's not done. I'm sorry, I have to put a hash mark here. So when I click this reload button, I want to load this div into this div itself. Now if we click on this reload button, we won't be able to reload that particular div, and this program will get messed up. Clicking this reload button will never do anything what we expect for. It's only because I did not put a space in between this quotation mark and the hashtag, and it's 1000% important that if you are doing this kind of method in order to reload a particular div, then you have to always put a space in between this quotation mark. If it's a single quotation mark or double quotation mark, it doesn't matter. You always have to put a space in between this quotation mark and this hashtag. If it's a class in here, then you have to put like this. I'm using an ID, that's the reason why I'm using this. So the most important thing that I'm saying is that this space in between this quotation mark and the hashtag is 100% important. If you do not use this, then you won't be able to reload that particular div. Now I'm pressing this reload button. When I press this reload button, this particular div, the content div, is getting loaded into that div itself. Okay, see this reload 31, 21, 58. The number is getting changed, and see what happens if I remove the space in between. If I remove the space, then it will never happen. This is getting messed up. See this? It's kind of something else is happening. That's not what we want. So most important thing is put a space in between there, and it's over. So it's over. This is probably the most simplest way in which you can get a div reload using jQuery. And I'm not asking you to comment, like, or subscribe this video because I don't care.